everyone, I'm Jaimie from Double Helix Digitals, and today I want to chat for just a minute about how you can use our printables and terms of use. So we get this question all the time: can I sell things I make with your designs? And the answer is yes, as long as you make it your own. So let me explain more about what that means. First off, for personal use, go wild. Use our printables in your journals, collages, vision boards, gift tags, anything just for you or as a handmade gift, totally fine, no changes are needed. But if you're planning to sell something, like in your Etsy shop or at a craft fair, we ask that you transform the design so it becomes something new and original. That could mean layering it with other papers, textures, or drawings, adding paint, ink, or digital effects, combining it with other artwork to create a piece that feels like yours. The goal is not to restrict you, it's to protect our art while supporting your creativity. We love seeing how you reimagine our work. So just a quick note, our printables are not meant to be used as is on products that you sell, like printing them straight onto a tote, sticker, or fabric without adding your own creative touch. And since these are our original designs, we ask that you keep the digital files for your own use and no sharing or reselling, even as a freebie. We made these to spark your creativity so you can build something uniquely yours on top of them. If you're ever unsure whether your project counts as substantially modified, just send us a message on Etsy. We're happy to help. Thanks so much for supporting our little shop and for making beautiful things with our art. Happy creating.